So if you think about any two elements in the digital thread, choose your two favorite ones. I'll use the example here of a mechanical CAD model and a simulation study. And I think these are, most people can have a pretty good grasp that the mechanical CAD model is authored in one tool. The simulation study is usually created in another tool. Sometimes they have tight connectivity, but often they don't. Right. And so if we look at a CAD model and a simulation study, the least mature kind of link, or the least useful, in my view, kind of link between them is simply like a URL. Right. If I have if on my simulation study, I have a URL that points to the CAD model that was its source, the simulation study, of course, anybody in the simulation system is going to know that this means that this was the source CAD model for that study. But what about bidirectionality? Does the author of the CAD model know that CAD model was used in a simulation? Can we do a where used on that link? If not, it's probably not a very mature link.